You don't know how to drive stick. You want to drive stick? Yeah. Silly ugly boy. Damn.
Goofy ass. What you don't even know what you said.
Bro. Oh my god. Hey, the meat gonna go hard. Oh yeah.
What time's the meet at 9?
Alright, what are we doing right now? Right now we about to go the canes. Raising canes.
Where you checking?
See the car meet. Where the car meet at? Bro, they always saying at 70s.
Hey, automotive sponsors.
Alright, what's up guys? So today, you might have already seen the video before this, but yeah, so Andy's got the WRX here for us, and we're about to teach Kira how to drive. He didn't know how to drive stick.
Hey. Alright.
Can't do the turbo though.
Brake and clutch?
Yeah, brake, I mean clutch.
Clutch?
Yeah.
Brake on first?
Brake clutch first, and then
Short, huh?
that shit's stiff though. The clutch is stiff.
Yeah, the clutch.
Yeah, just let it.
You have the brake on.
You brake on.
Let it bite. Get the bite. Oh, it's moving. We're moving. We stalling.
Switch?
I'm nervous, bro. No, not yet. Fuck it, bro. Go to the street.
Nah,
Put the seatbelt. Yeah, go in the street, but you just stay in the right lane.
Deadass?
Yeah, did I?
When I stop here, what'd I do? Clutch?
Just put a neutral.
Clutch and neutral, right?
Yeah, clutch and neutral.
And then brake?
Yeah, just
Clutch now?
yeah.
Clutch and then neutral. And just use your brake.
Is that a neutral?
No.
Nah.
There it is. When it moves.
Yeah, that shit a mini funeral car. What the?
Right now. Alright, shut up.
Clutch and neutral. Alright, let's turn it off. Hold on. Don't pat it. Alright, let it bite. There's nobody behind you, so just be cool. So let it bite first, and then you start putting the accelerator. There you go. My boy stalled.
So what do I do, bro?
So just right here, just have the clutch in, and just start letting go of the clutch, and just not
Turn on.
all the way. Just start letting it go right before you're gonna feel the bite.
There you go.
All right.
Keep it on first. Just keep it on first. Yeah.
Experience, bro. If you did this for a day straight,
I'd get it, huh?
you'd get it. All right, my boy ready with the first on red light. My boy ready. There you go, chilling. We're chilling. All right, celebrate with Kings.
Celebrate with Kings, bro.
Celebrate with Kings.
Let it go.
Time to go Kings with the crew. All right, guys. So we mobbing. Damn, I hate vlogging with the stick shift. We're back in the old reliable. I may or may not have an expired license right now. But you know, that's because of coronavirus though. We got Kier and Andy in the back. Kier with the GLI, Andy with his new Subi. But yeah, we're on the way to Canes real quick. You know the boys gotta eat Canes. Boy! The other day I got a text message from one of my friends, and she said, "Guess what?" And I was like, "What?" She's like, "My friend just tested positive for coronavirus." I'm like, "Oh damn," you know. I'm like, "Damn, that's crazy." Like, duh, like, damn, that's, you know, unfortunate. But yeah, so I was like, "Okay, damn, that sucks." I was like, "Yeah." And then she's like, "Yeah," and I shared Starbucks with her. I'm like, "What?" Anyways, so yeah, we're gonna go to Canes real quick. Gonna grab, and I'll see you guys at the meet. See you guys. Alright, what's up guys? So we're getting up to the meet. So something funny just happened, right? Andy was in front of us, and these Subis just pulled up to him and he started doing pops. There's a homie Freddy right there. He's doing his own little video over there. Getting some nice rollers. We got the homie Kier in the back. We got a couple of cars that I'm assuming are going to the meet because they look pretty out of place here in Chino Hills, you feel me? Here's Freddy. But yeah, we should be there any second, guys. I'll hit you up when I'm there. Alright guys, so we're here at the meet.
Hey, social distance. Social distance yourself.
Oh no! This boy just touched me skin to skin. What, bruh?
It's the only thing that got me skin to skin tonight.
Oh hell nah. Oh, that's the first comment of the night, guys. Expect 50 more. We found Andy. You seen Andy's new car?
Zuby?
Yeah.
Where's that fool at?
Right behind you.
Hey, what up?
Kier got pulled over, bro.
You got pulled over?
Yeah. He was doing all his blow up out, bro.
Here?
Yeah.
Cap. He said I found parking.
Cap. Are you scared? Are you scared?
Cause it's here, bro.
The camera ready for the hooligans. Alright guys, so it's getting kind of crazy.
But that motherfucker win everything.
Oh! Is that a Honda? That's a Honda. It's that Honda right there. Oh! That shit got burned like that. That shit's clean, bro. Oh, that shit's clean. Alright, guys, the fucking meat got burnt. You already know. It's kind of crazy. We got some coronavirus emotion. Oh, it's taking the beer. Oh, the cops. Here come the cops. You think they can start blocking us in low key? God damn! This should not be happening. Oh, here comes love. Bro, that shit was fucking. Yo. 35. No way. Yo, listen. Here come the cops, bruh. We got the cops. Woo. Look at that dude. Bro, he got balls. Oh, there's fireworks? Why, bro? Yeah, bro.
That shit go hard.
We got fireworks out here, bro.
Oh!
Bro, if they block us, bro, I'm leaving in my car.
That shit's
That all-wheel drive, though.
Yo, they just did a burnout. Those cops are mad pressed.
It was only 3 of them, remember?
No, it's 4 now.
1, 2, 3.
There's one over there somewhere.
I got 4.
See him? Alright guys, so we're gonna attempt to leave this shit safe and sound. Hopefully my exhaust doesn't scare them. Alright, nice little cold start. Alright, let's get out of here. There's a cop trying to cut me off right now. Okay, I made it. He tried to cut me off. Alright guys, that was a crazy ass meet. If you guys didn't see, we're gonna find out the second location right now. Anyway, so we're pulling up right now. I've had this Civic tailing me and we've been doing runs in Mexico, of course.
Yo, we out here, you know, we gotta be safe out here, you know what I'm saying? Got the mask on. The meat. Yes, sir. Yes,
fuck
sir.
Say the spot.
Yo!
That's fucking awesome. I love it.
He's playing bad boys, bruh. There's a cop going around just like chaperoning. He's playing bad boys.
Bad boy.
Ugly ass boy. Bro, me and the Civic went at it for like years, bro.
Who won?
Come on, bro. Why you ask
Hey,
that
did you hear
question?
this fucking lady yelling?
No.
Over there at the other me, she was like yelling at people.
Really?
Hey, you can't park here. No, I'm kidding.
Alright, guys. We're back. Again.
The camera will be like step aside.
Sheesh. Okay, ma. Oh, what the fuck was that? Who the fuck was that? Oh my god, bro. He can swing it. He can swing, man. My car.
Sheesh,
You gonna move it? Yeah. Are you scared? It's drifting, bro. I don't want to get clipped. I'm moving my car, bro. It's crazy out here, bro. Okay, block that entrance off. Guys. Alright, guys, we just came back. Oh! Oh! Yo, that Camaro's out! That Camaro dipped! Oh my god, guys. Okay, Dripp Garage here, giving you those crazy bangers to start off the post-quarantine season. Oh my god, guys. Alright, we had to get out of there real quick. Right now I separated from the group. Everybody was getting blocked off different exits. There was too much traffic the way they were going, and the cops were coming in. So I'm waiting for them here in this neighborhood, and we're just gonna wait, and we're just gonna link up and probably headed back home. But woo! There was that red Camaro that was going crazy. I don't know what he was thinking, but he like cut 3 cars off, making them slam the brakes. It was insane. But anyways, guys, yeah, so this is probably gonna end it here. We're probably gonna go home after this. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. There'll be a lot more of this type of stuff, especially with the new redesigned YouTube. Some of you guys that have stuck with us for a while, we're averaging about 1K views per video now, which is crazy considering we have like 50 subscribers. But yeah, guys, so go ahead and show some love, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. All right, laters.